LED headlights, indicators, and darker smoked tints for them. Now obviously you can see I've got one on here compared to my original, and they are easy to install. They've just got like a normal bulb connection, okay, and they're quite easy to install. Just pop your old one off, take out your bulb. You can leave in the reflector if you want. There's like a little insert there, as you can see, for a screwdriver to go in. That goes in nice. Just turn with the screwdriver, that's in. Make sure that the wiring goes behind. Return it a couple of times. Okay, and then obviously just put your new dark smoke tint over. Okay, and that's them both done. As you can see, nice and bright. Okay, cheers Andy, thank you very much.